Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this captivating video, we will embark on a step-by-step journey, accompanied by insightful commentary, to unravel the inner workings of an order book and delve into the intricacies of market order flow. Our aim is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how price action unfolds and how market participants interact within the order book. To ensure a smooth and fluid comprehension, we will focus on four fundamental data elements that form the foundation of order book analysis. Keycap 1 Price. We will explore the significance of price and its impact on market behavior, emphasizing the concept of price action. Keycap 2 Time. Understanding the role of time is crucial, as it dictates the duration of market events and influences trading decisions. Keycap 3 Volume. Incoming and outgoing volume play a vital role in representing market demand. We will analyze the relationship between volume and market dynamics. Keycap 4 Liquidity. The availability of liquidity in the order book represents the supply side of the market. We will delve into the importance of liquidity and its impact on price action. Traders have two primary methods to engage in buying and selling, at the market or through the order book. We will distinguish between these two approaches and examine their implications. Keycap 1 Market Orders. These are executed instantly at the prevailing market price. We will explore the volume associated with buy and sell market orders and understand how they contribute to market activity. Keycap 2 Limit Orders. Traders provide liquidity to the order book by placing buy or sell orders at specific price levels. We will examine the liquidity offered by limit orders at the bid and offer, also known as the ask. Remember, it's essential to remember that a buy market order is matched with a sell limit order placed at the offer, while a sell market order is matched with a buy limit order placed at the bid. On one side of the market, we have consumers who execute trades at the market, taking liquidity by utilizing market orders. On the other side, we have suppliers who contribute liquidity to the market through buy and sell limit orders placed at the bid and offer levels. The order book is a repository of limit orders waiting to be executed at various price levels, representing the liquidity or offer. On the other hand, market orders represent the executed volume, reflecting the realized transactions or demand. From this understanding, we derive a simple yet powerful equation: price action equals volume / a liquidity. As soon as the quantity of volume demanded exceeds the quantity of liquidity offered, the price will start to move. We can specify this equation further: when buy volume exceeds sell liquidity, the price tends to rise. Conversely, when sell volume exceeds buy liquidity, the price tends to fall. This realization carries immense significance as it provides a key insight into the relationship between volume and liquidity, and how it shapes price action. Understanding this concept lays a solid foundation for what lies ahead with meta_quant. Before we delve deeper, let's refresh our understanding of the order book, its primary function, and its underlying nature. While many traders primarily view the order book as an execution tool, enabling the placement of orders in the market, it serves a second purpose that is equally important. The order book provides a wealth of valuable data, which can be collected, processed, analyzed, and visualized. The actions and events that unfold within the order book have an immediate impact on price action, making the information it provides invaluable. It represents a set of privileged, transparent, and rich data. However, there are challenges associated with the order book. Firstly, much of the data it generates is ephemeral, often left unrecorded, unprocessed, and unanalyzed. This poses a technical and technological obstacle in leveraging this data effectively. Secondly, the order book is a haven for high-frequency trading algorithms that operate at tremendous speeds. Accessing and collecting this data, which is time-stamped in milliseconds, even nanoseconds, presents another technical challenge. Despite the technological hurdles, there are already impressive tools available like Bookmap or QuantMap. Nevertheless, we, as humans, still struggle to interactively exploit order book data, and the limited graphical representations often fall short. This is precisely where Meta_Quant comes into play. Meta_Quant is a groundbreaking solution that empowers traders to unlock the full potential of order book data. It offers an interactive platform that enables real-time analysis and visualization, revolutionizing the way we interpret and utilize order book data. To experience the transformative power of Meta_Quant and gain advanced market insights, visit https://metaquantuniverse.com today.